Hello, I want to take a minute to talk about a feature added to our Vicinity 4.38 March 2022 release. Specifically, what we're talking about is providing better visualization around component substitutions. A number of releases ago, we added the ability to substitute one ingredient for another in a formula in a batch. And in this release, what we're doing is giving a better indication that a substitution is available. So in this case, I've got batch entry open. I've got a specific formula that has got a component on it that has a substitution. In this case, DCRMO2 can be substituted by some ingredient. What we added in this release is this icon to give you a visual representation of that there is a substitution available. In this case, DCRMO2 can be substituted by DCRMO3 at a factor of 1.2 to 1. So if I were to select that, it would actually replace DCRMO2 with DCRMO3 and also adjust the quantities as appropriate. Now, a lot of our clients use the procedure section to record their raw material usage, and a number of them also use the phase area section to do a substitution. This icon has been put in both places and the functionality is identical. So basically, we're just trying to show you that a substitution is available. Very similar to in a previous release, we added the additional cost icon or visualization as well. If you need any help understanding how to set up a component substitution, please reach out to our support department. We're happy to walk through that. There was also a video a couple of releases ago when we added, probably actually a couple of years ago, when we added that functionality. But we're happy to kind of point you in the right direction with that. So hopefully this makes your life a little bit easier, especially for you all that are using substitutions. Basically, it just lets you know that a substitution is available on that line inside that formula. Anyway, we hope that helps, and we hope you have a great day. Thanks a lot.